Kikubor kibabnya. Ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sorkar Jilla henen gasngi kala Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya Health Service Academy Rules 2020 ka baplelenti na ka Bynta ka Thung ya ki dukhot Nonghikai ha ka baydai bat ka Shillong Medical College. Kani ka Thung ka thumu ban pintikna ba ka college ka bit babiang ha ka liang ki Nongtrai ban pinbiang ya ki Kyndon ha ka liang ka Puli bat ka rukom trekam. Ka Myntri ketenat ka kuat ka kia ka Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo kalau ong ba ka jinglut na ka Bynta ban sedang ya ka Medical College kan long kumba khan riu klor. Ka Kynhun Myntri henen gasngi kala Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya Dental Care Service Rule ka sinjam ka bakongsan ban kintiu ya ka sumar beniat hapo ka jilla. Ka Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ru ya ka Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2020.
To start making sure that we operationalize the medical college in the targeted time frame, we had to come up with a service rule for the recruitment of faculty to run the medical college. The Meghalaya Dental Health Service Rule. We still do not have a dental health service rule in the Department of Health. This document now enables us to quickly speed up all pending activities with regards to promotions and with regards to recruitment to better the dental health service in the state of Meghalaya. The approval of the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It shall now become operational and we are happy and we will keep the press fraternity informed from time to time about what would be the various components of this particular welfare scheme.